When I was asked, am I going to be doing another birthday video this year? I hadn't really thought about it, but people have been asking for it, so here it is.
Reach the wizard.
I am so sorry about that intro. I don't know what the hell happened there, but the good news is I got the person responsible for it right here. Hey, what's going on? What the hell is that all about? That is about that 10-second window to capture an audience's attention so they'll stay focused and watch the rest of the video even though it's going to completely suck. Yeah, and that you did. What are you drinking there? Oh, this is Monster Mango Loco. Nice. Dude, you can't get those in Canada. I bought that specifically for a special occasion and you're just drinking it today? It is your birthday today. Well, true story. Now just get out of here. All right. And leave the juice right here. Unreal. Can you believe that guy? That's not going to happen again, I can assure you. On with my story. So I just got home from work late last night. Yesterday was a travel day, getting home from work like it always is. So today, other than just being my birthday, it's also my first day home, so I got a lot of stuff to do. Things like I've got to go get my hair cut. Man, I sure hope it's not this person's birthday, because it's gonna cost him. School zone to boot. Let's get that done. Bam, that's better. Look at this, February 2nd, window down. You can't complain about that at all. You know where I'm going for lunch today. It's my birthday. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Next exciting activity, I've got to change the water filter for the house. Of course, I got to do the usual, feeding the horses. And one of my favorite activities, walking my puppies. Haven't walked them in a while. Looking forward to it.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some love, just let me know.
Even stopped by my brother's place to check out the new headers on his truck. Headers, don't get your mind out of the gutter. But listen to these, pretty damn cool. And every year I gotta check in with my buddy Tom, get my free Starbucks birthday reward. Thank you, Starbucks.
What do you got there?
Non-fat caramel macchiato.
Really? 1 year later, no wiser.
And the gifts. Everybody's always curious about the gifts, so check them out.
Good evening, everyone. And the highlights of the news this Thursday. Traffic accidents. A Beaver County man is being held for murder. And more labor.
Gold. Gold. Sweet. An e-gift card for $25 for Starbucks through an email. Being right to my app. Now this here is just something that I ordered online. It's a couple of different things that I normally would just get with my YouTube money, but, well, YouTube poo-pooed that real quick.
Spank you, Greenwald. Thank you very much.
So you're thinking, well, what the hell? You already know what's in it. How good is a gift as that? Yes, I know what's in it. It's stuff that I've wanted, which is really, really cool. But the cool thing is, I got this from the camera store in Calgary. They said they were gonna throw some swag in. Not only because it's my birthday, but also I did a good review for them and stuff. So let's open it up and I'll show you. The action jib and pull kit. Nice, a 6-inch vinyl decal. That's some of the swag. It is the GoPro 3.5 mic adapter for the Series 5. This is gonna change things. You wait and see. Nice, look at that. The camerastore.com official lens cloth. Oh, anchor links for my camera. A hand grip plate kit. I ordered that, awesome. Yup. So all in all, those are the gifts. I mean, cool, like seriously, look at this stuff. This is what I was really looking forward to, seeing what swag they would send. Did not expect that. I figured maybe a hat or something like that, but this, useful swag, super awesome. And what would a birthday party be without cake? And nachos. This year we had a really cool idea. The family came over. We had a big nacho bar right here on this table that's sitting here. It was all laid out. You made your own nachos, put them into a little tray and put them in the oven yourself. That way you got what you want. You didn't even have to share this year. Yeah! So all in all, I'm just truly thankful to be home. Get to see my puppies, get to see my wife and everybody else. So it was a really good birthday, as relaxed as it was and as much chores as I had to do. You can't complain about a birthday. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You'll get to see more and more action all the time. Right, Brainots? I gotta pay them now. Didn't ham it up too much, did ya?